I run a digital marketing agency. That means I have the budget to test everything. And trust me, we test like crazy. Last month alone, we ran 153 different ad creative formats across multiple industries, objectives, and budgets. And guess what? The ads that were working before, dead. They've been completely replaced by these 5 ad creative formats that are now crushing it. These 5 formats helped our clients get a 45% reduction in CPA, a 37% higher conversion rate, and a nearly 12x ROAS. And today, I'm going to give you all of them so you can apply them to your own campaigns and start scaling like a pro. Whether you're running lead generation, e-commerce, high-ticket sales, or local business ads, these ad formats will help you create high-converting, scroll-shopping ads that actually make you money. The first ad format is the benefit-focused testimonial ad. This ad format is a killer for industries where trust and credibility drive conversions. Think supplements, coaching, finance, and high-ticket services. Customer testimonials can make or break your ad creative. But here is the secret. Not all testimonials are created equal. The best ones do 2 things. They hit real pain points while staying broad enough to attract a mass audience. And here's a small deadly tweak. Use arrows or underlines to highlight the key benefits. This directs viewers' attention exactly where you want it to be. But here's where the most people screw up. They overload the ad with too much information. If you have more than 4 or 5 bullet points, you're overwhelming your audience. The rule is simple. Less is more. Keep it clear, keep it punchy, and make it impossible to ignore. Now let's move on to the second ad format, which is the statistic ad. This ad format is blowing up like crazy because it speaks to the logical side of the brain. People buy with emotion, but they justify later on with logic. So you're giving them, logic to justify what they have bought. And nothing fuels logic like cold, hard data. This format is especially effective in industries like skincare, fitness, and finance, where numbers drive credibility. Instead of saying this product works, a well-crafted statistic ad proves it with quantifiable impact. And here's why this format wins. It doesn't just rely on before and after visuals. It breaks down the number in a way that's instantly believable. But here's a mistake you see everywhere, every marketer making, which is they round up numbers like 70% or 90%. They look fake. So if you want to include stats to be believable, use specific numbers like 73.6%, 91.3%. That tiny detail alone can be the difference between a mediocre and a high converting one. Now let's move on to the next format, which is the output of the day ad. Okay, so this is crazy. This ad format wins because it doesn't look like an ad, because a lot of Instagram influencers are already trying that. So it looks like a Pinterest style inspiration post, which makes it feel like organic and less salesy. Instead of promoting one item, this ad format promotes an entire outfit. Now here's why that matters. When people see a full outfit, they imagine themselves wearing the whole thing. I feel the Gestalt flow also comes over here, somehow. Now this, the whole thing makes them more likely to buy everything instead of just one item. So that's also one thing which you need to consider. This increases average order value and reduces cart abandonment or even cancellation. Now let's talk about the format that everyone thinks is banned but actually isn't. This ad format I also used to think, which is the us versus them, and also before and after as well. Most people think this format violates Meta's policy, and Dara also mentioned this in one of our videos. But that's not just true, because I have tried this a lot of times, but you have to be smart enough to do it. When done correctly, it is one of the most powerful conversion driving ad formats out there. The trick is not to name competitors directly, obviously, you don't have to do that. Instead, you group them under a generic label like other brands while positioning yourself as a superior option. This ad works because it doesn't attack competitors, but still it attacks everyone. So it looks passive aggressive, but at the same time gets your point across. So instead, it simply highlights why your brand is a better choice. Also, it feels natural, which reduces ad fatigue and increases engagement. Whenever something feels natural, it automatically, just reduces ad fatigue. Now let's get on to the final ad format, which is the product catalog ad. I think every one of you is aware of it, and it's an evergreen format. Okay, so if you are running e-commerce ads and you are not testing this format, what the hell are you doing? Try changing images, try doing all the things. This should be a winning thing. Okay, this format works because it gives people options, and also it forces personalization. So instead of forcing them into one product, it lets them browse multiple variations depending upon their browsing history, which is super insane, and the machine learning is too good over here. This does 2 things. First, it makes people feel in control of their buying decision, and also, second is it increases chance of the right product hitting the right person because of their, browsing history and all the things which they have done on the internet, which Facebook kept a track of. This format is always crushing it for e-commerce brands with diverse product lines, and because it maximizes conversions without additional ad spend. Well, that was it. Now, if you like this video, then you are gonna love the detailed Facebook ads review that me and my team did to break down what's working and what's not, and what is actually converting on Meta ads. And if you want to access that video, click over here or somewhere, it will be there. So yeah, that's all.